The Hidden Mind Healing System. Our thoughts, our belief systems, our feelings and emotions have a massive impact on our physical bodies. Consciousness creates the physical molecules. What we think and perceive eventually makes its way down to the cellular level. The biofield or aura, chakras and meridian systems are very important elements in maintaining health. Everything that happens to us, both positive and negative, affects the underlying energetic blueprint of the body. It is negative and traumatic experiences that affect our body's energy systems and disrupt the natural flow of life force energy through these systems and the body itself. It has been suggested that we are each born with an innate knowledge of who we are and what our life purpose is. But somehow, along life's path, we become sidetracked by our environment, experiences and dramas, and we lose the memory. When we are physically or emotionally stressed, our body releases stress hormones that can affect all of our systems and organs. The Hidden Mind program is a healing system. It encompasses working with bioenergy, body work, kinesiology, corrective sound therapy, and the investigative protocol. The investigative protocol recruits the power of the subconscious mind to look deeper into the energetic causes of diseases and ailments. The Hidden Mind program embraces the hidden potential of the human mind. Its objective is to restore and regenerate the energetic structure of the human person, leading to improved mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. For best results, it is advised to partake in 3 one-hour sessions over 3 consecutive days, followed by a 4th session approximately 3 to 6 weeks after the 3rd session. However, every session is of benefit to the person. The subconscious mind can be likened to the internet or the body's invisible library. In order to access the internet, one needs to have a computer and use a search engine to access information. The medium used by the Hidden Mind program is dowsing. Dowsing is the art of using a pendulum as a medium to indicate the truth or non-truth of a statement or question, which is directed to the subconscious mind of the client during the investigative process. Dowsing is a biofeedback mechanism, and each therapist, through intensive training and experience, is confident that the investigative protocol will elicit the most accurate information the subconscious mind of the client will allow. The investigative protocol can be used to find the energetic causes to any disease or ailment, and none more so than in the case of special needs. In dealing with dyslexia, ADD, ADHD, Asperger's, dyspraxia, and autism, subtle information regarding birth shock and hereditary problems like ancestral faults coming through the direct DNA, causing meridian malfunctions or perpetuating gene faults downloaded from the child's bloodline while still in the womb. These can be clearly identified and deleted with the special sound protocols. Any blockages to the correct development of the child's brain can be identified and corrected through the program. Conception, time spent in the womb, and birth lay the foundation for what we experience as adults. Everything experienced by the mother becomes the experience of the fetus, including the effects of foods ingested by the parent and the effects of shock or stress. For instance, if the pregnancy is not planned and is resented, the resulting emotion can be experienced by the unborn child. This emotion can cause interference in the electrical systems of the unborn child, and in later life can result in dissatisfaction with life in general, loss of the ability to trust other people, and difficulty in finding emotional fulfillment. The Hidden Mind program deletes the memory associated with this type of scenario, as well as restoring any damage to the electrical systems. Most research has highlighted the implications of birth shock resulting from difficult and prolonged births, such as vacuum, forceps delivery, and C-section births. Stressful births can strain the neck and head, causing interference in the nerve signals between the brain and digestive system. Children who were C-section births have been found to be more susceptible to allergies than babies born via the natural birthing process. A child can also lose a certain percentage of life force energy during the birthing experience, and this can have an impact on the well-being of the child in later years. We check and correct brain integration, eyesight, cranial and facial bone, the spine, relieving back issues energetically. All chakras, meridians, auric fields are corrected and aligned. Any psychosomatic issues are addressed. The physical body is corrected, e.g. organs, glands, and the endocrine system. Anxiety states and negative thought patterns are corrected. Ancestral issues coming through the bloodline, as well as any disharmony created by souls who have experienced tragic death situations affecting the client adversely. We correct virus, bacteria, parasites, memory of illnesses, infections, e.g. glandular fever, rickettsia. I look into other possible reasons for illnesses such as Lyme disease, fluoride, candida, mold, parasites, etc. And I check for birth shock, which can stay within the person's energy fields for a lifetime unless corrected. There is another protocol specifically for correcting vision and hearing issues, so please ask me about that if that's something that concerns you. My name is Diana Collins-Smith. I represent the Hidden Mind Institute in Africa, and I travel extensively throughout Africa training hidden mind and bioenergy therapists. As an experienced hidden mind therapist and teacher, I'm eager to help people to evolve and become more self-empowered in order to take back control of their lives and their health. I have had great success in treating special needs children and people suffering from mental health issues in particular. Many conditions, though, such as depression, chronic pain, anxiety, Crohn's and other digestive conditions, arthritis to name a few, can be corrected. Dread diseases such as cancer and the after effects of vaccines are very responsive to energy medicine. Addictions, anxiety, stress, and general body pain are another area that I've had great success in clearing, using the Hidden Mind Investigated Sound Protocol and bioenergy techniques. For more information, or to just have a chat with me about this, please feel free to contact me either via WhatsApp, phone call, or via email. All of the information is below. Thank you for listening.